Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is V from LateChef.com. I'm actually here to represent you the software that we have developed for some of our friends and family, and this is for the if your internet is keeps hanging out, dying, you have very bad internet connection, and most likely these are solved by either restarting the computer or clearing the cache or whatnot, something to do with the modem. This is actually really big with fiber internet connection. Let's say in Canada, Bell, Akanak is a subcontractor, and TechSavvy. If you have one of these guys that are actually giving you DSL fiber optic internet, then yeah, you're in luck. This software will actually fix the problems that they can't fix it themselves, the internet providers. Anyways, so gone to the homepage of Late Chef and scroll to the bottom of it. Anyways, this is, by the way, this is recipe website from all over the world. You guys, I don't know, you use it or not. Yeah, so you share with the world your recipes. So anyways, click on courtesy, terms, conditions, installation procedures, and just here click on the download link. So once you click on download link, make sure you have save file selected. Download it. It's very tiny. You just open the folder, cut the folder, and you gotta go to C drive of your computer. So once you're at the C drive, I'll just delete this. Paste it here. And then extract it. So once you extract that, you're gonna have this folder here online, and what you need to do, you run this online app. So once you run that, you'll have a neat little thing running right here at the bottom. I'll just pin it right now so I can give you a proper demo. Let's stop it. Check mark. Sorry, it was running before, so yeah. Anyways, here you have the status of your internet connection and the status of the connection with your modem. So let's go to settings to set it up for us. Here you have the, well, I'll get back to this actually. Here's the IP address. This IP address is your modem IP address, the way you actually get into your modem. So you just put it here and you log into your modem, and you have your wireless connections and internet monitoring connections and so on and so forth. So this is actually and then okay, so you might actually have a username and password to actually get into this and make some changes here. So the username and password typically are admin, and if you don't know and you don't have it, you must actually contact your internet provider. They'll be able to tell you the username and password. So how to make sure that it is actually connected to your modem and it's running as it's supposed to. So you got the IP address going, you got the password going with the username. So this is the next most important thing to have, default 1 or default 2. So select it first, default 1, and then press on the button. That's interesting. Oh, because I just recently made another YouTube video, and that's why actually once you click it once, it has to wait for a few minutes to actually get back on. So anyways, let's just bypass that by just closing it and reopening this again, and this time it will be there. Yep. I'll go to settings, there we go. Yeah, once you click it, it will take some time to actually come back on, because it won't allow you to send a code within the 3 minutes. So you have to have the interval 3 minutes. Oh, there we go. There we go. There we go. So select default 1 and press test. Alright. Once you press test, you're gonna see the modem. It should restart automatically. You'll see all the lights going black and then slowly coming back up. If you do not see that, then you select 2 and you press test. Again, you're gonna see the black screens flashing, and check the modem lights. If the modem lights are still blinking and they're not, the modem is not restarting, then you need to deselect the select modem. So now you're gonna have to actually write the code command yourself. And this is the command that actually is used remotely to restart the modem. It's very important to make sure that this is the correct one, because without this, the software, if it's not able to actually clear the some of the settings of the some of the cache memory and stuff from the modem, then it will have to restart. And in order to restart, you must have this code. So this is the same code that a telnet might use to actually restart your modem. Couple of common ones are restart, and you can try reboot. And if that doesn't work, or start. Yeah, there we go. Or start, or something like that. So this you need to get according to your modem specification. So let's say once you've got that going, you want to come here, and you'll see them green. Select auto start. So what happens is when the software starts, it will automatically actually start monitoring the internet connection, the modem status, and start, like, making the fixes if it's necessary. Sometimes you'll see, like, you're browsing the web, and yeah, your page is loading, and then you see these black screens flashing everywhere, and you'll be like, oh my god, it's restarting the modem, but I'm online, it's working fine. No, you're not online. You'll realize that that whatever page is loading, or so on and so forth, is actually loading from the previously downloaded, for example, or something like that. But if you click on a new page, it won't start. So this catches the network connection issues and the modem issues before your OS might even catch, or Windows might catch. So to make sure that it's all automated, we suggest you to actually create a shortcut to your desktop. There we go. Come over here, cut. So go to your startup folder and paste it here. So now whenever you start your Windows, it will load the software. The software will check, auto check is on, automatically will start monitoring. And if you want to know the folder location, I just posted here. So for Windows 8, how to do it, just copy this. Make sure you actually post your username here, which is the by default, right, for your computer. Copy, paste here, and you'll be there. So press enter, you'll be in this folder, and yeah, it's gonna be all automated. Well, I guess that's it for today, and I wish you happy browsing. Bye bye.